What's going on, beautiful people? Tony Sanchez, aka Tactical Bartender. Just coming at you guys to inform you that I'm going to be doing a giveaway in about 2 weeks, so around April 10th, of this new Ganzo G746 440C stainless steel pocket knife that I acquired about a week ago, actually. So I've been carrying it EDC for about a week. I've loved it. It's grew on me, but I'm going to give one of you lucky new subscribers, I'm going to be giving you this new pocket knife. So, sorry. To enter the drawing, all you got to simply do is subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification, comment down below I subscribed, and that'll automatically enter you in the drawing. Like I said, in 2 weeks I'll be doing a new video. Around April 10th I will be announcing the winner in that video. So one more time, guys, to win this knife, to have a chance of winning it, it's for new subscribers. So anyone that subscribes from now till April 10th, simply subscribe, hit the bell notification, comment down below I subscribed, and this knife could be yours. So, and I will reach out to you guys if you are the lucky winner. So stay tuned for the review and unboxing of this knife. Peace. Video number 2 for the week. So, as everybody knows, well, first of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Tony Sanchez with Tactical Bartender. And as you guys, if you watched my video that I uploaded 2 or 3 days ago, it was about my EDC pack right here. You guys would have known that this is the only pocket knife that I've ever bought, and I've carried it for many years, and it served the purposes that I've needed it for. So, it is a cheap knife, not the best stainless steel, but it is my knife, so I've always kept it. But I do plan on replacing it. So with that said, I was looking for a new EDC knife, and I was doing a lot of research, watching a lot of videos, and I came across this Ganzo. So yes, I still am looking for a more quality knife. And guys, this thing is, from what I've gathered about it, is pretty good quality. But I am looking for a knife. I'm not going to buy no $300 to $400 Benchmade or whatever. What is it called? Spyderco or whatever. That's just not me. I mean, like I said, I've kept this knife for many years, and I've never been in a situation where this knife didn't serve that purpose. So I'm not out, I'm not out chopping trees down, you know what I mean? Like, I'm not out just like swinging these things at branches and stuff. So, but in midst of all that research and looking online for different things, I came across this Ganzo. So with that said, I picked it up. I've heard a lot of great things about it. This knife is $20, maybe even a couple bucks cheaper depending on what color you get. So I went ahead and picked this up for the meantime, because I've heard that for the budget-minded, this is a great quality knife from what I've gathered. I still am looking for a knife, a better quality, or I guess higher quality, more show-off knife. But when I do that, guys, I'm probably not going to spend more than $100. So leave it down in the comments, guys, if you know any good pocket knives that are $100 or under, anywhere from $70 to $100. Put them down in the comments below. Let me check them out. Let me do some research on them, because I still am looking for that knife. But like I said, for $20, from what I've gathered, I cannot beat this knife. So this right here is the Ganzo G746. It is made of 440C stainless steel, and as you guys know, if you're a knife enthusiast, that is not bad steel. Not like a lot of these budget knives that are usually 20 and under. They usually don't use that particular steel. So excuse me. We have a blade length, or blade length's the right term, from tip to the base right here of about 3.3 inches. The knife comes in right under 4 ounces, 3.95 I think to be exact. So I know a lot of knife enthusiasts, they have their stipulations on the knife that they want. They have what they're looking for. They want under 4 ounces, a blade length of around 3.3, this and that. They're real particular. So this knife kind of serves a lot of those people's needs. Like I said, good steel. We have an axis lock right here. See if I can do this again. I did it earlier. Let me see. Nice. I did it. Axis lock right here. We've got some jimping on both sides. Oh, I'm sorry, both sides as far as this part right here. So we got it here and we got it here. Your axis lock that you see on a lot of the other higher end knives. As you go down, as you see, you can see through it here, but you can't see inside of it on the outside. So unskeletonized. We've got a couple rivets here that hold it in place all the way down to the base. Right here we've got a pocket clip, stainless steel also. Pretty tight. Wow, I didn't think it'd be that damn tight, but that'll definitely keep it in your pocket. And if you want to put it on the other side, that's what this part is for right here. So you can swap this clip out and put it on this side instead. So moving up right here, you've got a dual lanyard holes right here. So put a lanyard on that side or this side, right there. A pretty good looking knife. I mean, it's easy on the eyes too. I like it. So not much really more to say about it, because I mean, I don't know too much until I get out there and play with it. But it's got a nice serration right here for your thumb when you're holding it. depending on how you hold it. But you've got your jimping right here for your thumb. You've got this little groove right here for your index finger, depending on how you hold it. Like I said, if you slide up, you've got some jimping there to kind of stop you from swaying too far, you know, up into that blade. But let's see. If you hold it like this, that same groove right there would be a guide for your pinky. So overall, like I said, for the price, I mean, this thing is pretty sturdy, pretty sharp out of the box. I'm gonna try to cut some paper with it. Last time it was an epic fail when I tried doing that, but pretty sturdy out of the box, pretty sharp. As you guys can see there, G746. You got with the 440C stainless steel. You got the Firebird emblem. This is off their Firebird series. So axis lock once again. I've been practicing. I'm trying to get it right. I couldn't pop it open that well. But as far as like, I just want to be able to close it like that. As far as opening it, I would use the thumb guide that comes on both sides. I'll just use that instead. So it works a little better. But yeah, man, most definitely for 20 bucks. Actually, like I said, I got this for 17 and some change. The Ganzo Firebird series G746. Pretty solid knife for the price for 20 bucks or under. 440C stainless. I mean, 3.3 inch blade, under 4 ounces, axis lock. I mean, what else do you want for 20 bucks? And it's a quality knife that you can carry and actually use as a tool. So that's kind of what I was looking for. So anyways, guys, that was it. I just want to make the quick video just showing this knife. I just got it in today, and I thought I'd share it with you guys. So I kind of already cut it. Here, let's try to cut some paper. Let's see. I don't want to embarrass myself, but I'm actually watching the camera. Almost cut the cord on my damn light, too. Hold on. See, I'm not that good at cutting paper. I don't know why. Like, they make it look so easy on the videos, and I just absolutely suck at it. Like, are you supposed to hold this a certain way? Here, let's try this. It'll definitely stab. We know that, so that's good. That's good. But, yeah, guys, I suck at cutting paper. I've actually heard there's a tactic to it, so I'm not even going to blame it on the knife at all. I'm just not good at cutting paper. So, but anyways, that's it, guys. Just a quick unboxing review, whatever may have you, for the Ganzo G746 Firebird series knife, pocket knife. Guys, consider subscribing to this channel. This is Tactical Bartender. Hit that subscribe button down below to the right, and hit that bell notification to the right of it to get future updates on future videos that I upload. So I'd appreciate it. I appreciate it a lot, guys. Thank you guys very much, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace. Fuck, forgot how I was gonna start it off. Right, there you guys are. What? That doesn't even make sense. Actually, you know what? Let's scrap this. We're gonna go ahead and flip this camera around and try it from the other side. I figured in the meantime, I've heard a lot of great reviews on this knife. A lot of people are loving it. What's going on, guys? Tony Sanchez here with Tactical Bartender. Oh, I wanted to say AKA Bartender. Tactical Bartender. What's going on, guys? Tony Sanchez here with Tactical Bartender. Nope, didn't want to say that. What's going on, folks? Stupid plane.